So I suffer from hangovers, so anytime there is a new hangover cure, I definitely grab it and I definitely try it. Now, I'm on the fence still. That is my honest review. I'm on the fence still. I really like that this addresses multiple issues, though. Normally, when people talk about hangovers, they talk about the dehydration, and for me personally, that is one big thing that I definitely focus on. After a night of consuming adult beverages, I make sure to have a full electrolyte drink before I go to bed, but that might not be addressing all the problems. And this Cheers Restore capsules claim that they do. I also wanted to show you the size of it because the image online sometimes makes it look huge. This is how big it is when you get it, and it is specifically for before you go to bed after a night of consuming adult beverages. You take 3 of these and it is supposed to help reduce the effects of that the next morning. Again, I've tried it a few times and it's really hard for me to tell if it's doing anything. That's the problem with things like this, is that you really can't tell. So right now I'm using them, I'm testing them, but I'm up in the air. I haven't had any really bad hangovers since I've been using them, but I also don't drink like a kid anymore, so it's really hard for me to tell. But if you want to try them yourself and learn more about them, then I would recommend them.